Welcome to my presentation. In this presentation, we shall see how to add whole numbers. Addition is also sometimes called by different names, and those different names are as follows: add to, more than, the sum of, increased by, the total of, plus two numbers. All of these are mean the same thing as addition. So let me explain a few things in here. Let's say if we have a phrase which is added to, it means the same thing as addition. Or if we have a phrase more than, let me write here, more than, that also means addition. Then if we have a phrase, the sum of, the sum of means addition of two numbers. Increased by also means addition. Let me write here, increased by, that means addition as well. And then the total of also means addition. The total of two numbers means addition, and then plus two numbers also means addition. So in here I want to just explain these with an example here. Add 2. Let's say we want to add 5 added to 6. 5 added to 6 means we can write it this way: 5 plus 6 will be equal to 11. Then let's say we have the second one, 4 more than 6. Let's say we have an example, 4 more than 6. 4 more than 6 means we're going to take 4 and add it to 6, and that makes it equals to 10. The third phrase we have is sum of two numbers. Let's say we have an example of this kind, the sum of 4 and 7. Let's write that. The sum of 4 and 7. If we have two numbers of that kind, it also means addition. 4 plus 7. 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. Then the another phrase which is commonly used for addition is increased by. So if we have an example of this kind, 3 increased by 6. 3 increased by 6. That means this also means addition. 3 plus 6, that equals to 9. And the total of also means the sum. So let us take an example on that. The total of 2 and 4, let me write that. The total of 2 and 4, this means addition as well. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. And then the last phrase we have is plus. Let's take an example. 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 is also same as addition. So 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. So these are some of the common phrases which we use for addition. So let's take an example here. Let's take an example and see how we can solve examples of whole numbers using addition. Let's say we have an example of this kind. We want to add, let's say we want to add 1, 2, 3 plus 6, 4, 7, 2. So in this case, we have already seen how to place the place value chart, and therefore we're going to use those and then simplify these particular problems. So in here we're going to write down the chart here. The chart is telling us that we have ones in the first place, then tens in the second place, hundreds in the third place, and thousands in the fourth place. So let's write that here. This is the ones, this is the tens, this is the hundreds, this is the hundreds, and this is the thousands. This is the thousands place. So the numbers what we have here, we're going to place them here. 123, the first number is 321, that is the first number, and we want to add that to 6472. 2, 7, 4, and 6. So what we have done here is we place the first number in this place value chart. 3 belongs to 1, 2 belongs to the tens, 1 belongs to the hundreds place, and for the second number 6472, 2 is in the ones place, 7 is in the tens place, 4 is in the hundreds place, and 6 is in the thousands place, and therefore we are now ready to add these numbers. We are now ready to add these numbers, and when we add, we're going to add them vertically in their particular columns. In the ones place we have 3 plus 2, which is 5. In the tens place we have 2 plus 7, which is equal to 9. And in the hundreds place we have 1 and 4, 1 plus 4, which is equal to 5. And in the thousands place there is no number to add in the first row, therefore it just comes down as 6. So therefore this is our answer. This is the sum of these two numbers. When we add 123 to 6472, the answer comes out as 6595. This is our answer. This is how we do the addition of two numbers. In my next presentation, we shall see how to add whole numbers with another type of an example.